Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on this video I want to show you exactly how I made this crunchy and delicious half cakes. You guys, it's so simple and these half cakes are super delicious. I love them. So watch this video till the end. You might learn something. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, also comment, share your thoughts on the comment section. So let's get started. So I used all-purpose flour 2.5 cups, and I'm going to write a list of all the ingredients that I used here. I used baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, that is baking soda, and then I'm going to mix in all the dry ingredients, that is baking powder that I have, baking soda, baking powder, and then I'm going to give it a very good mix. I used sugar 3.5 tablespoons, but you can use more sugar or less depending on what you like. And then I'm just going to give these ingredients a very good mix. Next, I'm going to add ground cardamoms, and this is just for flavor, so I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit of it. You can use a half tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, and then I'm going to give it a very good mix. Next, I added a 1/4 cup very hot oil. Guys, it's boiling. You can see, you guys, I just added very hot oil to the flour, and then I'm just going to give it a very good mix, and I'm using a spatula because it's super hot, you guys. So I'm just going to mix with the spatula until it cools down so I can start rubbing in with my hands. So it's super cool now, so I can mix in with the hands safely. I'm just going to rub in very well, mixing all the dry ingredients with oil. Next, I'm going to add a few drops of vanilla essence. You can use 1 teaspoon to a half teaspoon vanilla essence to your likings, and then I'm just going to mix it in. And guys, you do not have to use vanilla essence. You can use any flavor that you like. I used cardamom powder and vanilla essence to enhance the flavor, and I loved the outcome. You can try that out, guys, but if you do not have them, you can use whatever flavor you like. And then after that, I started adding water gradually to make dough, and I'm using lukewarm water, and I'm just going to make dough. I added water gradually, bit by bit, not all of it at once. And then after combining and making this dough, I transferred it to a surface to knead it even better. So I'm just kneading to ensure that the dough the ingredients are fully combined. And the dough I made was not so soft like the mandazi one. This is harder. It's a bit hard. You can see the way it looks. And then I'm just going to cut the dough into 2, and it's time to shape the half cakes. So guys, next I'm going to pick each ball, roll it out, and then cut into my square shapes. You can cut to any sizes that you like. You do not have them to, there's no specified size of half cakes. You can make them thicker, you can make them thinner, you can make them big, you can make them small, however you like, but this is how I like mine. I'm just going to roll it out, cut the sides, and then cut the square shapes. And you can see the dough is not so soft, it's hard. I'm not even going to fast forward this part. I'm just going to show you exactly how I do it, and then after removing the sides, I'm just going to cut into neat squares. And they do not have to be equal. Like you can see mine, some are bigger, some are smaller, but they are squares or rectangle, and that's how they look. You can see the thickness, you can see the size. That's how they look. They're not exactly equal, but roughly this is how they look. And now it's time to deep fry. So I'm just going to add oil and then heat it a little bit to be warm, just warm, not hot, just warm. Even better, you can use cold oil on medium flame, and then I'm going to start adding now the half cakes. You can see even after adding the first half cake, the oil is not even boiling because it was just warm, and you do not even have to heat it. You can just place your oil on medium flame and then start adding the half cakes. So I heated mine, it's warm, and then I added the first half cake, and then I'm just going to add in the rest of the half cakes, the first batch, that is. And then they are going to take some time because remember these half cakes are thick, so they are not going to cook as quickly as like the way mandazis do. So they're just going to take their time to cook on the inside and then cook on the outside, and then they will be ready. It takes time to make the half cakes, so be patient. Do not use very hot oil because you know they can cook on the outside and the inside is not cooked, and that is not what you like. So now it's time to turn the half cakes like so. You can see still the oil is not so hot at this point. I'm just going to turn them little by little like that. Yeah, because I do not want to hurry them and then have half cakes that are not fully cooked. And you can see the way they continue cooking, the shape is changing because they are different. Okay, I don't know why every time I cut half cakes to be square shapes, but by the time they are ready, they are so different. They look like they were not even squares. It's like they were, I don't know what shape is this now. So I'm just turning them, ensuring that they are fully cooked and golden brown. And guys, the first batch is ready. I'm just going to go in with the second batch, and that's it, guys. So it's about patience, it's about making your dough properly, and guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And these are our final outlook half cakes, you guys. They were delicious, I love them, and I hope to see you on the next video.